Do you use anti-seize on spark plugs? Yes or no? In this video, I'm going to tell you when you should use anti-seize on spark plug. Tell me in the comment section if you have used it or you don't. For years, many mechanics were taught this golden rule. And what is the rule? Always use anti-seize on spark plugs. But here, modern engine has come and the advice remains the same. Let's talk about the purpose of anti-seize. What is the function of anti-seize? Anti-seize is designed to prevent spark plugs sticking in the cylinder head. 1. It prevents thread damage. 2. It prevents broken plugs during removal. These are especially in aluminum cylinder head where steel spark plugs love to seize. So yes, anti-seize has a purpose, but this is what people are getting wrong when to use anti-seize. Most spark plugs today already come with pre-coated from factory. So that silver, that gray finish on the thread, that is a nickel or zinc coating, and it already does the job of anti-seize. If you add more anti-seize on top of that, you are getting it wrong. You risk over torquing the plug. 2, you can damage the thread and you may even crack the cylinder head. So guess what? Many manufacturers like NGK, Denso and Bosch already stated do not use anti-seize on their plugs. So what is the real danger? Anti-seize act like a lubricant. That means that when you tighten the plug to a specific specification, you are actually over tightening it more than intended. That extra clapping force can lead to 1, strip the thread, warp spark sitting, or costly engine repair. So when should you use anti-seize? Now there are times it could make sense for you to use anti-seize. 1, the spark plug manufacturer recommended it, then you can use it. If you are working on older engine, then you can use it. The spark plug has no factory coating, then you can use antifreeze. And lastly, you apply a very tiny amount, not just to put a lot of it on it. So have you been using anti-seize? Then if you use it, you should know that you must reduce the torque by about 20 to 30%. If not, it's going to cause damage to your cylinder head or to the thread of your engine. So let me ask you this question: have you been using anti-seize on spark plugs this whole time? Tell me in the comment section. Have you been always, or sometimes, or never? So are you ready to change your mind from what you have learned from this video so far? Tell me in the comment section if you really learned something new from this video. Don't forget to follow me for more engine tips like this. See you in another video.